Scratches on a tabletop need a more durable repair. Finisher's Edge has a filler made of hard waxes and resins that will withstand the abuse that a table or a desk receives on a daily basis. There's 16 colors. I chose a color that was close to the color of this board. And the first thing I need to do before I melt this in is to prep the repair a little bit. Some wood was standing up. I want to make sure, using a little fine sandpaper, I sand the edges, run the card across the top. If it doesn't drag, I know that I've got a good fill. Using the Finisher's Edge burn-in knife, I'm going to melt this filler into the repair. This gets to 300 degrees really quick, so don't stick your finger on the end. If you do, you only do it once. Now I'm going to melt the material into the repair, keeping the stick really close to the surface. And I want an overfill of that repair area. You'll see the repair area is glossy, but as it cools, it starts to go to a dull, flat sheen. That way you know that the repair is cooling and just about ready to level. The leveling tool we use, and this one's been used quite a bit, is a nylon grater, and you lay it across the top of the repair and lightly go back and forth. It picks up the material in the teeth of the grater. And finally, when it bottoms out, you have a perfectly level and filled repair. Use a rag or paper towel. Scrub over that a little bit. You have a fill now that is level and is ready to top coat if you need, or you can just leave it alone. For more information on Finisher's Edge touch-up products, you can go to the website mohawkfinishing.com.